If you're in your 20s or about to enter this wild phase of life, let me tell you something real quick. This is the decade where you either build yourself up or mess things up big time. And guess what? A lot of that depends on the habits you choose to keep or drop. Today, we're talking about 4 bad habits that can seriously hold you back from success in your 20s. So, if you don't want to look back in your 30s and be like, man, I should have done things differently, then stick around. Number 1, procrastination. Yeah, that little voice in your head that says, I'll do it later. We've all been there, scrolling through TikTok, binge watching Netflix, saying, just one more episode, and suddenly it's 2 a.m. The problem? Procrastination kills momentum. You keep putting things off, and before you know it, months or even years have passed, and you're still stuck in the same spot. Please, just do it. Do it for your future self. Number 2, neglecting your health. Look, I get it. You're young. You feel invincible. Fast food, late night snacks, skipping workouts. Been there, done that. But here's the thing. Your body is your foundation. If you don't take care of it now, trust me, you'll regret it later. Feeling tired all the time? Struggling to focus? That's your body screaming at you to eat better, drink more water, and move. You don't need to be a fitness freak, but at least do the basics. Number 3, hanging out with the wrong crowd. Ever heard the saying, your environment reflects your future? Well, that's a fact. If you're constantly around people who don't push you to be better, who drain your energy, or who are just negative all the time, it's gonna rub off on you. Find people who inspire you, who challenge you, who push you to grow. If you don't have those people yet, go look for them. Number 4, last but not least, being afraid to fail. Let's be real, failure sucks. Nobody likes messing up, but you know what's worse? Never trying. Too many people in their 20s avoid taking risks because they're scared of failing. But guess what? Failure is part of success. Every successful person has failed, many times. The key is to learn, adjust, and keep going. Stop overthinking, stop doubting yourself, and just take the damn leap. Now, I'm not saying you have to be perfect. Nobody is. But being aware of these habits and actively working to change them, that's what separates the people who make it from the people who don't. So what's one habit you're trying to break this year?